Hey guys, how you doing? This is Jeff from Captain Soot's House of Fire and fireplaces.Us.net. I'm going to show you some pretty cool new electric fireplaces here. This is from a company called Fireplace World. Alright, so I'm going to show you a couple of these. These are all pretty neat. These are wall-mounted electric fireplaces. You could get these mantles that come with them. These come in a number of different optional colors, as you can see. These guys screw right to the wall. They have a heater built in, 750 watts. See, the flame is really quite realistic. Excellent. So the way this is going to work, everything is going to come all together. All you have to do is you place your logs on the inside. Pretty well made. You just plop them right in, screw the sucker to the wall, plug it in. You have your electric fireplace already. There's a couple of different colors you can see, different models. You can actually speed up or slow down the flames a little bit on these as well. Different effects. The flames look great. So you could pretty much customize these, order them in a bunch of different colors. These are all basically the Miami. You'll see them on our website with different names, the Vegas and Colorado. They're all pretty much the same, just different color mantles. They'll come all sanded with these driftwood logs as well. This is a new model that will be coming out. I believe he's going to call this one in New York. The variable speed on the flames, like I said, so you can make them real fast, you can slow them down. Really easy to put in. Just hang it right on the wall. And this guy here, the first one I showed you, it's going to be a future option with the rocks. It seems to be going over quite well. It's the rock medium, really very modern style. Like I said, these guys look really cool, easy to hook up, easy to put in. You hang it on the wall, plug it in, or you can hardwire them up, and heating capacity of about 400-500 square feet. Again, this is Jeff from Captain Soot's House of Fire, captainsoot.com, and our e-commerce store where you can buy these online, which is Fireplaces with an S, the letter R, US.net, fireplaces.Us.net. You can give us a call at 1-855-485-4015. Thank you very much.